Now I want you to keep it there until I say. How does it feel while you're extending your arm out, holding that glass of water? Fine. It's all right, yeah? It's all right, good? Yeah?
Tightness in the belly.
Tightness in the belly, so you can feel your core working. Yeah? That might be early morning workout kind of repeating on you. Right? But you're starting to notice some other muscles working, right?
Shoulder muscles. Shoulder tone.
You've been holding for 30 seconds, right? You've been holding your glass for 30 seconds. A moment ago, it didn't feel like anything, right? And now all of a sudden, you can feel your shoulder. How you feeling, Dibs?
Yeah, it's getting heavier as we...
Heavier, right? Not the same as holding a pint though, right? Right? If it was a pint, it'd be all right. Keep your arm straight. No bending your elbow. Arm straight. Just keep it there. Keep it there.